Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Cadillac Escalade grille. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and cool. Gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10 mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening the hood. You will see a plastic radiator cover at the top of the grille. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully remove the 8 to 10 plastic push pins or screws holding this cover in place. Once all fasteners are out, lift and remove the entire plastic cover. Next, you'll need to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for a front camera or daytime running lights, if your Escalade has them. Then, identify and remove the 10 mm bolts typically found along the top edge of the grille. Some models may have additional bolts hidden behind the corner lights, so gently pull those back to check. You might also need to partially pull back the inner fender liner on each side to reach any side-mounted bolts. Take your time to ensure all these fasteners are removed. Now, focus on the clips that secure the grille to the bumper fascia. These are often located along the sides and bottom. Use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry and release each clip. Avoid excessive force to prevent breaking them. Work your way around the grille's perimeter, gently separating it from the bumper. Additionally, inspect the underside of the bumper for any final 7 mm or 10 mm bolts that might still be holding the lower section of the grille in place. Remove these if present. With all bolts and clips released, you can now gently pull the grille straight out from the vehicle. It should come free with a firm, even pull. Before installing a new grille or reinstalling the old one, take a moment to inspect the mounting points for any broken clips or debris. Clean the area thoroughly. When ready, align the new grille carefully with the mounting holes and push it firmly into place until all clips audibly engage. Finally, reinstall all bolts, screws, and the top plastic radiator cover in the reverse order of removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.